Our 5-star reviews are our pride and joy because they let us know that we're doing a great job. And today, we appreciate the chance to share one of our favorites with you. Have a look. And as much as we know how much effort we put into giving everyone a first-class experience, hearing about them firsthand pushes us to do better. It means so much to us that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.